Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.0614 a coin in a sort of significant manner. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0614 or so they in a real sense thought. The earlier day close. 0.0614, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The change basically was 0.0000% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate. United States dollars to Doge in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.062, extremely greatest $0.066, least $0.058, which is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.061, beautiful greatest $0.065. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $0.061, all things considered, most extreme $0.065, truly least $0.057, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, October 12. Cost $0.060, especially greatest $0.064, certainly least $0.056, which most certainly is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, October 13. Cost $0.059, truly greatest $0.063, kind of least $0.055 in an unpretentious way. And multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, October 16. Cost $0.060, really greatest $0.064, in every practical sense, least $0.056, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $0.060, lovely greatest $0.064, essentially least $0.056, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $0.061, truly most extreme $0.065, in every way that really matters, least $0.057 in an all things considered, significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, October 19. Cost $0.062, certainly greatest $0.066, especially least $0.058, which in every practical sense is very huge. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.062, fundamentally most extreme $0.066, beautiful least $0.058, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.062, certainly greatest $0.066, kind of least $0.058, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.062, kind of most extreme $0.066, by and large least $0.058. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.061, genuinely most extreme $0.065, really least $0.057 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, October 26. Cost $0.061, exceptionally most extreme $0.065, in every practical sense, least $0.057 in a quite large way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.061, especially greatest $0.065, really least $0.057, which in a real sense is very huge. In 3 weeks Dogecoin gauge on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.060, extremely greatest $0.064, exceptionally least $0.056, which especially is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $0.060, kind of greatest $0.064, essentially least $0.056 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $0.061, lovely most extreme $0.065, really least $0.057 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $0.062, in every way that really matters, most extreme $0.066, truly least $0.058. Dogecoin figure on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.061, kind of greatest $0.065, fundamentally least $0.057, which basically is genuinely critical. In about a month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, November 6. Cost $0.061, sort of most extreme $0.065, genuinely least $0.057 in a fundamentally significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $0.061, sort of greatest $0.065, especially least $0.057, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale really equivalent to 16.2797 coins per $1, which in a real sense shows that today's exchanged cost range 0.0614 0.0617, or so they generally thought. Today's reach 16.2117 16.2986, showing how Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.061, really greatest $0.065, certainly least $0.057, which basically is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby 16.2870, which truly is genuinely huge. Change for now 0.0073, 0.04% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Doge cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday, October 9. Cost 16.129 coins, certainly greatest 17.241, genuinely least 15.152, exhibiting that change for now 0.0073, 0.04%, which sort of is very critical. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 16.393 coins, lovely greatest 17.544, genuinely least 15.385, showing how Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not so distant future, and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.062, for the most part greatest 0.066, beautiful least 0.058 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 16.393 coins, sort of most extreme 17.544, especially least 15.385 in a kind of significant manner. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Thursday, October 12. Cost 16.667 coins, essentially most extreme 17.857, especially least 15.625, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, October 13. Cost 16.949 coins, most extreme 18.182, least 15.873. And multi-week United States dollars to Doge expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 16.667 coins, really greatest 17.857, sort of least 15.625, so in about 14 days. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 23. Cost 0.